Did you know a simple painting ritual can reset your mood for the entire day? Today I'm sharing one of my favorite winter art ritual, watercolor and salt texture. Soft pencils for details and a little bit of gold magic. It's calming, grounding and something you can turn into a weekly habit. Hi everyone, my name is Sana Asad. I'm a founder of Wild About Art Studio based in Bahrain, a certified holistic art therapy practitioner. This isn't just a painting tutorial, it's a ritual I practice whenever life feels heavy or too fast. So grab your supplies and join me. For this tutorial, I am using acrylic paints, turning them into watercolor painting. You can use any brushes. I am using this Phoenix brush, which I really feel it's good for acrylic as well as watercolor. You can use any medium as I always mention. Here I am using water spray bottle. This will be helpful to add extra water on top of your painting. 300 GSM watercolor paper, and I'm using acrylic paints and turning them into translucent effect with lots of water. Masking tape if you are doing a color swatch. This will help me to stay with the same color palette, and these are the color of my mood today. The color inspiration came from my morning walk when I look at the sky. And isn't it beautiful when you see this beautiful sunshine and the reflection? So here I am starting with the basic color swatches. You can also try this. And when you are adding the colors of your mood, that is the time when you can literally ask yourself, what do I want to release today? Let's talk about habits and ritual because they shape everything we do. A habit is something you do automatically, almost without thinking. A ritual is same action but done with intention. It has meaning, it has emotions, and it has presence. Painting can be a habit, but when you turn it into a ritual, it becomes a safe place for your brain. Our brain loves pattern. When it recognizes a ritual like lighting a candle, choosing a podcast, preparing for brush, it sends signal we are safe, we are calm, we are here. This is why habits and ritual can change your whole emotional landscape. They give your brain something predictable, stable, and comforting. Now, here you can see I have added lots of water and the colors of my mood, just going intuitional strokes. There is no right or no wrong. Feel the flow of your paintbrush, add as many strokes you want, add as many colors you want. You can pick only 2 colors from your mood, or you can try adding all. There is no right, no wrong. And this is the reason I need the water spray bottle so I can add more water and my colors will keep flowing. And here I'm using the acrylic paint, but you can see how beautifully it turned into the watercolor effect. I sprinkle salt, just the regular table salt. You can use any salt you already have. MSG, the Chinese salt, also create a beautiful effect. Himalayan salt, pink salt, rock salt, whatever you have. Salt create these magical, unexpected blooms and remind me that not everything in life is meant to be controlled. Sometimes we just let things unfold. Once the painting is dry, you will see the magic begin. You can use hair dryer or let it dry in sunlight for the best results. Once it is dry, you can just simply massage on your paper and remove all the extra salt. Now it's time for me to remove my tape, remove the color swatches, and cut my paper into 4 mini art pieces. And this is the best part about building an art habit. You don't have to complete all 4 at once. These tiny pieces become your creative moments for days when you feel tired, overwhelmed, or not in a mood to paint a full page. No setup, no cleanup, just gentle continuation. So here I'm using watercolor palette now. You can continue with the same palette you already have, the one with acrylic mixed with water. But I just thought I'm going to keep some of the watercolor palettes in front of me in case if I need it, because I really want to make all the 4 paintings in front of you so you can get the idea, but you don't have to do all 4 together. You can just do one at a time depending on how much time you have. And lines, shapes, symbols. For all those who are following me since long, you may have seen all my videos where I talk about symbols, how lines connect. And this is the time when you can take a pause and connect your emotions with different shapes, lines, or symbols. In this video, I am using line as my emotional symbol. You can start with different type of lines. You don't have to give exact meaning or try to find out the right name for that line. You can make your own. How wavy line feels to you. It might feel happy instead of chaos. Straight line might feel calm instead of emptiness. Or the zigzag line might feel the joyful moment with your family or the memory from your past instead of angry or emotionally sad or anything. Add the shapes, whatever you want, and continue with adding the lines, shapes, or symbol with the similar colors. What I'm doing right now is trying to see the shapes and lines within the painting and just trying to enhance with different color. If you notice, my directions are same, and I'm trying to observe each and every small details of my dried paint, the first layer we did it. Let me share something very personal because I know so many of you will relate to this. Every time I upload a video, whether I'm exhausted, overwhelmed, or honestly not in a mood to edit, I make myself a little promise. If I show up for myself today, I will celebrate myself tomorrow. Not with something big, not with something expensive, something, it's a flower, something, taking myself out for breakfast. Just sitting alone with my coffee, feeling proud that I kept going. Because consistency isn't easy. Showing up isn't easy, especially when life feels heavy. And maybe you feel this too. I used to tell myself, I'll share my ideas when I feel ready. But honestly, I was scared. Scared of being seen, scared of failing, scared that nobody would care. So I made a deal with myself, a gentle challenge. If I stay consistent, if I build a real connection with you, if I reach 10,000 subscriber by the end of the year, then I would finally buy myself a MacBook I've needed for 3 years. Not as a reward for achievement, but as a promise to myself, I believe you, I trust you, I am proud of you. And in a strange way, this ritual of rewarding myself become healing parts of me I didn't know needed healing. It taught me what I don't need anyone else's permission to celebrate who I am becoming. Ask yourself, what is one thing you want to reward yourself for this month? What tiny promise can you make to yourself and actually keep? When was the last time you said, I'm proud of me? Tell me in the comment. I would love to celebrate your journey with me. Now it's time for gold foil with the glue pen. Tiny stars, edges, highlights. When you peel back the foil and see the shine, it feels like a little miracle. For me, gold represents hope, the light that always returns. And here they are, my 4 mini artwork from one intuitive moment. Soft, textured, and glowing with gold. If you try this ritual, tell me, what habit are you building this winter to care for your mind and creativity? And let me know which part felt most soothing, the salt, the lime, or the gold. Now it's time for me to grab some color pencils, Posca pen marker, and add extra details. This is again optional. If you feel that you are done with what you create and you feel happy, just stop there. But if you still feel that there is something missing, which I feel it, and I want to add a little extra Posca details with dots, lines, and maybe to enhance my shapes, just one at a time. Again, you don't have to do all together, just grab one card and make it. This will be a perfect winter season greeting postcard idea for your loved ones. And do let me know how you would like to do this painting, whether are you going to gift this painting to your loved ones as a postcard, or this will be a new painting on your wall. Thank you so much for spending this quiet moment with me. I hope this ritual gives your heart a little space to breathe, even if just for a few minutes. If today's painting touched something inside you, tell me in the comment, what did you feel while watching? And what tiny reward will you give yourself for showing up? Because this journey isn't just about painting. It's about becoming the version of yourself who keeps going gently. Till next time, take care of yourself and keep creating.